Aegis. Meaning. Aegis refers to protection, support, or sponsorship, especially from a powerful or authoritative entity. It is often used metaphorically to describe guidance or a shield of safety. Definition. Aegis is a noun that refers to the shield or protection provided by someone or something. In modern use, it can also refer to the guidance or sponsorship that helps a person, organization, or cause thrive. Examples in sentences. 1. The project was completed successfully under the aegis of a renowned organization. Here, aegis means protection or support provided by the organization. 2. The country's healthcare system is operating under the aegis of the government. In this sentence, aegis refers to the support or supervision provided by the government. Usage. Aegis is commonly used in contexts involving protection, guidance, or influence. It is often used to convey the idea of someone or something offering a shield or backing, especially in political, organizational, or legal discussions.
English practice.